Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best PCP air compressor 300-bar reviews. TXET063 high-pressure compressor 12V 300-bar. TXET063 is a LCD digital control portable compressor, lightweight, small size, easy to carry, working pressure 300 bar, 4500 SIL 13 par oil and water free, built-in fan cooling and drain system. TXET063 is a multifunction integrated digital display. Easy to use and operate. More intelligent, the compressor will display the working pressure, preset pressure, temperature, current.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.